Wait, the gigantic whale.
Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be trolling people with
No one loves you,
important.
Wolverine.
So,
Also, get it because it is in my
sorry.
hand. I'm just gonna give you.
Please. Sure.
Thank you.
Right now I'm building a hospital. Crazy people around.
Guys, can anybody teach me how to place blocks? Can anybody teach me how to place blocks?
Hop up here.
I don't see that door, but
Can anybody teach me how to place blocks? No! Send the person for 15 minutes. Yep. Can anybody teach me how to place blocks?
Sure, press B on your controller, and then pick a type of block, and then you can,
Knock it off.
and then press your index trigger.
Can I help you build? Can I help you build? Can I help you build?
Well, right now I'm trying to build a hospital,
I want to hit one of these.
but I messed it up trying to protect my friend.
What if I hit one of these?
Okay. And
Just telling you my roles. You said, no,
nothing.
you are not.
I won't do it again. 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 I promise I won't do it again. I promise I won't do it again. I won't do it again. Keep leading. I won't do it again.
Whoever friends is this,
Keep leading. Keep leading. I won't do it again.
Can I build with you?
Trust me.
Too late. Too late.
Oh well. This is gonna be funny. Hey, can I help you with your build? Yeah, can I help you? Can I help you with your build? Okay. Bet I build better than you. See ya.
You ain't getting it today!
Damn, I with the
Let me
victory.
see your build. Let me see your build. Let me see your build.
Can I help?
No.
I won't destroy. I won't destroy TNT blocks.
Let me see your build.
I don't have any build. If you let me help with this build.
Never said no. He wants to get quad in his face.
No, but this isn't yours. Alright, thank you.
Guys, I'm gonna help them build. I'm gonna help them build this time. No more TNT blocks.
No one loves you.
Yeah, because I didn't destroy your hospital. I was just joking. No way.
Sure.
Who wants help with their build?
I do.
Okay, I'm gonna be co-builder.
Are you gonna
Whoever wants
Accept.
to go mine
Accept.
to me,
Yeah, press it.
come over.
Why not press and accept?
Whoever wants to go mining, come to me.
Why not press and accept?
Come on.
It's his.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah, and I'm trying to get gems.
It's yours.
Hey,
No, it's not.
Guys, don't start building yet. Don't start building yet.
Do
I have to accept it? Don't. No, stop. Stop.
You. Can
Yeah,
I
don't
can
do
I
it.
help you? Can I help you?
Yeah, I got you. Accept. I got you. Alright, so you promise you guys won't break anything.
Okay.
And I'm ready. Okay, so I'm building Technoblade. Alright,
Yeah.
so alright, here we go.
Okay. I'm not going to destroy it. I'm not. I won't do it.
All of them are not weak.
Just accept. Hey! I was going to help you. I wasn't going
You're
to chiefing. Bro, I was doing nothing. I just wanted the, it was just too funny.
Hey, yo!
Because there was a
you
girl
gonna
building a
connect to me?
hospital. There's a fucking girl building
I'm
a
going to the
hospital.
Discord. Are you
Just-
gonna help?
Just let me be co-builder. Just let me be co-builder.
Me. I'm a bingo slayer.
Devil Emer, I was just laughing for no reason. Trust me.
No.
That's why I hate it.
Yo,
If he's gone. Oh yeah.
Hey, you, wait, you're doing Axolotl. Yeah. You wanna be in the YouTube video? Bro, what? My house. Who was my house? Can I be in your video? Hey. Come on. Hey. Come on. Red. Red. Ah! Red. Can you give me Drappers? Please, I'll be Oh.
Who wants help with their build?
Oh. I wanna help somebody, bro.
Okay. With the shark. I got the shark. We want help.
Yep.
I want help with this build. See,
They made it again.
the owner's here. Good.
Yeah, 876 and then join a private.
Who wants help with their build? Who wants help with their build?
You can add your friends.
I will make their build with my TNT blocks.
Just join private.
Do. Who wants help with their build? I want to be co-builder in their build because I won't.
Everybody go back to the beginning.
I don't want to mess around.
Minecraft.
Go to your right here.
Here's the owner of this build. I want to help them.
Okay, you got me the car. You did it again.
Look at you're the master of losing. Connie's on but the master phone. You're trapped in a napping cell. You're not a man. Who wants help with their build? Who wants help with their build? Who wants help with their build? What is this? Is this backwards?
Yes, your friend touched you like 4 times. Now he's touching it again.
Your phone.
Now you
Yeah,
have
go
3
back.
times like $99.
How could you
Okay,
say
the mole back.
with yourself
Okay,
trapped in a napping
go.
cell?
And now you're out.
Thank you. I have to go now. Come on.
Can someone give me wings? Can someone give me wings? Dude, stop! Dude, stop! I will pull
Who wants help with their build? Who wants help with their build?
Hey, can you give me wings?
You want help with their? You want help with their build? Oh, you? Okay, I'll help you.
Come over here.
Okay. Put builder.
Come right here. Yeah.
Yes.
Meet me up here on the dance floor. have on my thing?
I'm here to rob you. Give me all your money. Yeah, come on. I'll throw this at you. Give me your money. You guys haven't seen it yet. Give me your money. Put your hands up.
Finally, his belt's gone.
Put your hands up. No.
Ooh,
I guess I took that from you.
I'm being toxic still, little girl.
That's what I did for us. So,
Someone's doing something to my house and not I want to tell you something. So I'm a evil person, and you have to be a superhero. I'm going to kill people, and you have to carry vital web thingy, and you have to talk, and you have to.
Ha ha! I take a spill. I wrecked a spill.
Hey, you're not helping.
Well, luckily I undid. Did you?
Let's check it. Oh,
You did get the pen.
I'm gonna eat you.
I'm reporting you.
I'm gonna eat you, Axolotl.
no, hold on.
Yeah, you're not my
I
builder
destroyed your
anymore.
build because I have loads of TNT.
Stop it!
Person has. No, it's moving. It's just how you move under red like that. Person has a pest in my bed. Hey, red monkey. Red monkey. Keep moving. Do you want to be my friend?
Got my bed, which
No more hiding, shining like a bird of bay. Cause we are hunters, voices strong. I know I believe. Who wants to be Tung Tung some more?
No. I will. But
Right, everybody, get your grenade launchers sorted. I'm rich. I have TNT blocks.
Wait, can I get?
Guys, you can murder that
sorry.
one. You can murder that one. Look.
Can you buy me dynamite and
There. Everybody. Pedal.
Whoa! They're actually called mimics. Yeah, they are mimics.
Can someone buy me a backpack? Yeah.
Guys, how do you place blocks? How do you place blocks? How do you change your blocks? How do you change your blocks?
Guys, we're making a base.
It's by doing
Monsters
this.
cannot get in, but we
It's
can.
by doing this.
Oh no, we can. If you guys pay me gems,
No,
I will
which
give you
one?
stuff.
It's over there. Gotta kill it.
Who's ready to destroy Tung Tung some more? Who wants?
I have zero gems.
Guys, how do you change your blocks? How do you change your blocks?
I don't know. I do know, but I'm not
It's
gonna
by
tell you.
doing this.
Why are you killing people? Thank you, dog. Thank you.
It's not working.
Hey.
Yeah, because you're not doing it right.
I need to change my blocks to TNT.
Isabella. Are you watching me play?
Some over here.
Oh, that's where guys, Daily Stop. Come to our base, and if you guys pay
Hold
me
on.
gems, I will give you
Hold
guys
on.
stuff. I'm giving myself gems. I think it's about to be blood moon, guys. Guys, I will give you stuff if you give me gems. I have no gems. I'm the seller.
Oh,
I'm not a seller, but you're a 5-year-old kid.
can anybody give me a
I'm not
gun?
5, stupid.
Can anybody give me a gun?
Can I give you a gun? No, I'm broke. I have 60 gems. That's not even enough to buy a potion. Okay, guys. I've got...
No, don't steal my wood. Don't steal my wood, bro. Don't steal my wood. Don't Don't
He
steal
literally
my
just said don't
build.
steal.
Don't steal my build.
Bro, he just literally said just don't steal.
You.
Who's that handsome man? I'm about to rip your core out, little bro.
He's a monster. Be chill, be chill.
No.
Be chill. Be chill, man.
Chill, money bag.
Guys, listen, mimic.
Whoa, who has the hammer? Who has the hammer?
Can anybody give me a gun? Can anybody,
That's not the hammer.
Yo, bro,
that's
give
the
me one. Can I have one? Can I have one?
can anybody give me grenades?
Yeah, bro. Cap one. Can I have one?
Are you?
Come through here and I give you stuff. Whoa!
Why is the guy everywhere? Yo, come! Yo! Guys, come on!
If you guys give me anything you have, I will give you something back, okay?
How?
I'm the seller. You have to come through my door. If you have anything to sell, give it to me and then I will give you something back. Today's stock. If you give me something, I will give you this full of ammo.
Guys, come on!
They're shooting! They're shooting! Guys, today's stock, if you give me anything that's good, you get a fully loaded gun. Anything that is good.
Guys! Okay, I need a gun. I'm using all my gems and TNT.
If you need a gun, the seller today in stock is a gun. You have to pay me in gems or anything else. Come through the door. Whatever you have, come through the door. Do you know what a door is? Okay. Come through the door, guys. This is the door. If you pay me something, I will give you something back. Today is a gun. Give me something, I will give you something in return. I'll give you 10 TNT.
Guys! Guys, I killed that monster actually. Guys, keep that money back from me.
Guys, this is war. And I will give you something I declare war.
Oh, look.
Does anybody want to pay me to get stuff back? I declare war. I declare war with the Chinese people. I declare war with the Chinese people. I declare war with the Chinese. Whoa! You're Guys, killing, bro. Next day's stock
I am
is
not.
a bag full of
I am not.
I don't even have nothing 2 keys. Good. Give me something. I don't even have nothing good. I will give you 2 keys if you give me something. Stupid, do you not want to sell her? Somebody get this man.
Get over here. Get over here. Get over here, boy. Get over here, little boy.
You get over here. Get over here.
Yeah, good job. You're welcome. Brown's right here. Come on, building. I don't care. Don't care.
You freaking idiot.
Don't care. Bruh.
Who wants help with their build? Who wants help with their build? You okay? What's your build?
am. Oh, I don't wanna.
Oh, is that your build?
Guys, I'm obliterating my.
Oh. Hold on, if you stay right there, you get some candy. And. Oh, you want cool
Guys,
build.
I obliterated my build. Guys, I exposed my build. Now I saved it.
Where's your build? I need to see your build.
My build, I'm gonna build it very quickly. Big.
Ooh.
My build is trash. It doesn't have anything. Just
Spawn your building.
What the heck?
I will wreck it.
bruh.
Co-builder.
I don't care if you wreck it. Sven, there's no
Add me as co-builder.
problem that you wreck
Co-builder.
because I can load it back. I just finished building it and I saved it.
Okay.
You know why?
What should I do?
Is this what can you update? What even is this game? Guys, I just installed this yesterday.
What's these TNT blocks? Everywhere. Everywhere.
That was surprisingly easy. What are you guys doing?
I also bought stuff.
That was surprisingly easy.
Easy. That's what surprising.
Ugh.
Keep mining.
Ow.
Hey, I'm going to
Ooh.
my house.
I'm going to.
You guys are all... This
Where
poor
the heck
plot,
is the
bro. That's
builder?
crazy.
Let's see a secret room. Guys, I'll show.
Look at my wing.
Capybara, what do you
I
think?
can't mine it, bro.
Capybara.
See a secret
Huh?
room.
What, you want this? Well, too bad.